In this video, I will show you how to factory reset BT Smart Hub to original settings. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So let's get started. Resetting a BT hub to factory settings takes the hub right back to how it was when you first got it. So to be able to reset a BT Smart Hub 2, the first thing that you need to do is to look for the factory reset button, and that is located in the back of the hub just above the power socket. With the hub switch on, push the reset button for 5 seconds and then release it. The hub will now reset, and this can take up to 5 minutes to complete. And then when the light on the front of the hub is turned to a stable blue color, you can continue. To reconnect to the hub, you need to use the default SSID name and password on the back of the hub, and the admin password will also have been reset to the default value. And that is how you can basically reset BT Smart Hub. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.